Good afternoon. Welcome to the 57th lecture of Management Science subject. So we are in the unit 3. The concept we are dealing is marketing management topic. So in the yesterday's class, we have discussed about the marketing concept, right? Marketing analysis and what are the various things associated in that. So today in this class, so we will discuss other concept in the marketing, that is marketing environment and marketing environment and marketing framework. Okay, so here in the marketing process and analysis, we have seen various types of marketing process strategies. So here the marketing analysis or marketing strategies and what type of environments are there in the market system we will see. So this is the lecture 57. So here, as we see, the general process. I'm getting some stupid problem. So in the marketing analysis, the general process, what the 5S we require is, the 5SV what we require is customer needs. So first thing you have to go with the customer needs. So what the customers are asking, the first thing is what are the customers, what concepts they are asking. Okay, so what the customers are asking, and for that what the manufacturer has to do, right? The second S is the company skills. The company skills means what are the special competences do we possess to meet those needs. Next, third one is a competition. So we have to see the competitors around us, right? So we have to compete, who compete with us in the meeting these needs. So whatever the products or services we are providing to the customer or the market, at the same time we have to see our competitors, right? Who are the competitors, what are their strategy, so what are the products, what is the difference for their product versus to your product. For example, yeah, if you are owning uh, a factory that is uh, Priya sunflower oil, so you are having a Priya sunflower oil, so some other competitor is having some other company name. For example, okay, so we'll take an example, a simple example. You are the manufacturer of Dettol soaps. At the same time, you are having a competitor who is a manufacturer of some other herbal soaps. So you have to see how the competition is there. So what the company skills they are requiring. So what the customers are interested in which type of commodity, right? So we have to see the competition. Next one is collaborations. Who should we enlist to help us and how do we motivate them? So whenever we have to keep any collaborations with other companies, how we have to approach with the companies. For example, if you are having a sweet shop in your locality, in your town, you are having a good sweet shop, then you have to enlarge your market, you have to enlarge your business. So then what we have to do, we have to go for the clients, we have to go to the clients and we have to ask them, so we are the so and so manufacturers, if we are the sweet manufacturer setup, we have the a shop where different kinds of sweets are done. So we have to go and say about the quality versus the reliability of our products. Then we have to keep a long run collaborations with the firms so that we can distribute our sweets to the those those firms or companies yearly, depends upon the festivals. For example, a manufacturing company is there in your town, so you are the sweet shop vendor. So for keeping the orders continuously every year, so you have to go to the manufacturer and say that you have to make a collaborations with the firm that for every festival we will provide the sweets, right? With good quality and with good consistency. So when the company will make a collaboration with you for 2 years, then you have to provide with good quality and quantity. That is a simple meaning of collaborations. Next one is the context. What environmental factors limit what is possible? So in this context, which type of environment you are having? So it's a cultural type of firm, the technological type of firm, it's a legal type of firm, like this. So depends upon the context also, you have to choose a marketing decision. So these are the various marketing analysis. The 5S, keep this 5S in mind. There is a customer needs, the company skills, the competition, collaborations, and the context. So if you see the line diagram of this marketing analysis, so see the marketing analysis. So in this marketing analysis, see the customers, the company, the competitors, the collaborators, and the context. So in all these five things, the customers, company, competitors, collaborators, and context, see the what type of things we are having. We are having three types of things. That is a market segmentation, right? Target market selection, and product service positioning. So we are having horizontally the marketing analysis. Under this marketing analysis, we are having three types of possibilities. One is a market segmentation. What type of market segments you are having? So the market segmentation means, for example, you are having various type of commodities. In that commodities, the type of segments. For example, you are seeing a commodity like toilet soap. In the toilet soap, what are the various segments? In the toilet soap, you are having a bath soap, you are having a washing soap, you are having a pet soaps like this. You are having various types of segmentation. Okay. Next one, target market selection. So in the market, we have to go for the target analysis. So what type of product does the customer is targeting, right? So if you see in the same toilet soaps, so you are having number of companies in the toilet soaps, right? So in the toilet soaps, what type of marketing selection he is doing? We have to keep the target for that. Next, product or service positioning. Where does the product or service is lying? So it is lying in the off the market or on the market. It is lying at which position, right? So these are the three things for this market analysis. So whenever these three things are, whenever the five C's and whenever these three things are having a proper coordination, we are having the marketing mix. See this one, this box contains the marketing mix. In the marketing mix, we are having four types of P's. So in the marketing analysis, keep in mind, we are having five types of C. That is a customer, company, competitor, collaborators, and context. Whereas in the market mix, we are having four P's. So what are these four P's? Product or service, right? Product or service. Next one, place or channel. So place or channel. Next one, promotion and pricing, right? So the product mix consists of four P's. What are the four P's? Product, service, place or channel, promotion, and pricing. So these are the four types of marketing mix strategy. Okay. So under this one, we are having two things, right? First one is a acquisition market, consumer or customer acquisition, customer acquisition. So what is the meaning of customer acquisition here? So the customer acquisition here depends upon what type of things he is requiring. What type of things he is requiring means the total integration, right? The total integration, the market segment means an asset, right? Typically an asset. So or making some sort of skills, how the customer is acquiring the knowledge. Next one is how the customer is retention. So how the retention is going on through the customer, right? So retention means the various types of the things, how the customer continued for the position. Okay, the retention means the action of absorbing or continuing to hold a substance. Okay, for example, if you see in a rainy season, your house walls will get retention. Retention means empty. So whenever the rain is falling, so whenever the on the top floor roof of your house, whenever the water stagnates, what happen? It will absorb the water. Rainwater ni గోడలు absorb చేస్తాయి. That is nothing but a retention. In the same way, customer retention. So what's the customer retention here? He is continued to the position. He is having some sort of control of something. Next. So when these two things are going in a proper way, we are getting ultimately the profits. We are getting ultimately the profits to the customers as well as the vendors. So customer satisfaction, that is one thing, that is one profit, and vendor money making, that is also one type of profit. Like this, the marketing analysis or marketing strategies, we are having 5 types: customers, company, competitors, collaborators, and context. So these are the 5 things for this marketing analysis or marketing strategy. Coming to the marketing mix, we'll discuss separately this one: product, place, promotion, pricing. Product, place, promotion, and pricing. So these are the various types of marketing analysis what you are having in the any market segmentation. So in the market segmentation means, for example, if you see the Tata Motors. So in the Tata Motors, you are having various types of segments. So if you can see the ad also, advertisements coming in the TVs for movie, for your cell phones, for your automobiles, for your paints, other type of chocolates. So if you see the cell phones, the cell phones you are having, if you go to Happy or if you go to any Big C, you are having various types of company cell phones. So in that company cell phones, you are having the cell phone segmentation. Segmentation means vibhagamu. We are simply calling them as a separately identifying the section. For example, if you see in a Tata Motors or Mahindra, in the Mahindra Motors, in the Mahindra and Mahindra, you are having passenger vehicles, pickup vehicles, right? So if you go to normal vehicles, not we are saying the commercial vehicles, personal vehicles. In this personal vehicles, you are having pickup vehicles and passenger vehicles, right? Passenger vehicles and pickup vehicles. So these are called as a segmentation. In the pickup vehicles, what are the list you are having? In the passenger vehicles, what are the list you are having? So like this, they will separate. So that is nothing but the market segmentation. So targeting the market means whatever the customer or whatever the vendor. For example, if you see in some districts or some places, if you see the two-wheeler example, some people are addicted. Some people are the shop, the dealer will market only specific type of scooter. So some people like Jupiter, right? Jupiter. Some people go with the other company, that is by it may be so is Jupiter is for which company? uh, I think it's okay. So if you take any other target selection like uh, Maruti and Tata, in some districts or some places the dealers will keep on marketing the Maruti vehicles. Why? Because the price is less, the economy, and the resale value. So if you go to any Mahindra vehicles, so there, instead of using the passenger vehicles, they will mainly focus on the pickup vehicles. In the pickup vehicles, what happens? Yes, TVS. Okay, TVS. Yes, yeah, TVS Jupiter. So if you take a two-wheelers, TVS Jupiter, you are having Honda Activa, you are having. So if you go to some places in Guntur district or Krishna district, some people, customers will say, or some your showroom people will say, TVS Jupiter is excellent model. That's why if you see in that town, majority of people will purchase Jupiter. Yoro koddimandi they will purchase other things. If you see in some Guntur district, you can see number of vehicles are this Honda Activa. Why? Because the the showroom people will market in that way. The showroom people will market in that way. So recently, I have purchased an air cooler. 6 months back, I have purchased one air cooler. So, what is the general companies of air cooler? Standard companies. You can see Symphony, you can see Usha, right? You can see Panasonic. You can see VGod. You can see Lexus. Like this, you can see number of various companies for the washing this air coolers. So when I'm purchasing, when I'm seeing different sort of companies names, the specifications, the motor capacity, the design. So they said in this area, in this mandal or in this town, uh, we got air coolers are number one, remaining are failure or remaining or less products. These are not quality. Number one quality here is VGuard. So what is their motive? So the dealer's motive is the dealer's motive. So he is a dealer of VGuard, he is a dealer of Symphony, he is a dealer of Usha, for example, take it. So the Usha dealer say that if you sell in a month 30 air coolers, we will give so and so discount, right? If you sell uh, Panasonic company, we will give so and so discount. If you sell VGuard, so and so will give more discount. So like this, if they say like that, the dealer, the manufacturers, what the dealers will do, they will motivate the customers that to take only VGuard instead of others. VGuard is very good. Why? Because they are having their target market selection. They are having their target market selection, right? If you go to, when I went to other place in Rayalaseema, when I went to other place in Rayalaseema and asked general question about the air coolers, they said Symphony is an excellent company. Symphony cooling is very excellent than VGuard. So VGuard is waste. So that type of strategy you can see in various market target selection. That depends on what? That depends on totally the manufacturing strategy versus the dealer strategy. But what does the customer require? The customer should get a retention. The customer should get acquisition, right? Finally, they will get profits. Whatever the manufacturer, whatever the dealers, or whatever the customers, they will get the satisfaction and the profits. Only one thing is what? The retention. Alawadu padali. So if you see the your ads also, cell phone ads, or it may be a services, Geo, Airtel, like that. If you see recently, because of this corona effect, you are having your uh, watch the movies live, right? In AHA, AHA, or you can see some other platforms, right? Netflix, like that. So these are only the thing is we have to cultivate. You have to cultivate to the public. Alawadu cheyal. Once the people are getting acquainted with that, automatically they will never come out from this channel. That is the strategy of the big companies. Next one. Next topic is marketing environment. How the market environment is there, right? If you go and see outside, you can see a big market strategy, but you don't know what's happening. But everywhere you are getting the sales. So how this is going on generally in this marketing environment? In the marketing environment, the forces that define the marketing external environment are competitive environment, obviously, political legal environment, okay, economic environment, technological environment, social cultural environment. So like this, you are having 5 types of environment sections in any society. Okay, in any market in any market environment, మనకి ఈ 5 కనిపిస్తాయి. But it is not physically seen. It is indirectly experienced or observed. Competition environment ఉంటుంది. From your same, you are running a shop, you are running any fancy shop, మీ పక్కనే ఫ్యాన్సీ షాప్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ఏ షోరూమ్, బైక్ షోరూమ్, దాని పక్కనే ఇంకొక బైక్ షోరూమ్ ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే ఆపోజిట్ లో ఉంటుంది, రైట్? ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ఎనీ గార్మెంట్ షాప్, oppositely you can see the garment shop. So like this, you are having competitive type of environment. Next, political legal environment. So some cases, in some situations, some business, so the political and legal factors or segments will involve in the business. Politically and legally, some side of business will be there. That is the political and legal environment. Next, economic environment. Economic environment means the banking sectors, what you are seeing outside. So if one bank says we give the car loan 8% interest, right? We give the car loans for less EMIs. The EMI interest will be very less, right? If we see other bank will say that we'll give the car loan with less interest and the tenure is more, so you can keep more tenure, right? Or else if you see last 2 3 years back, you are having keep your gold in the bank, get the money. You can store your jewelry in the bank and you can get the money with less interest. If you see such type of companies, like Manappuram Gold Loan, IIFL, and Sriram Chits, and Attica Gold. So like this, you can see number of companies outside. They are doing this type of business. Next, technological environment. What is the technological environment? If you see the cell phone, That is also competitive. Everyone is everything is a competitive, but going technologically forward. If you see the electronic showrooms, right? Sony TV, you are having Bravia, you are having different 4K, 5K. So like this, you are having number of uh, segments in this televisions as well as the cell phones. Next, social cultural environment. Social cultural environment means the type of convention systems, the type of marriage halls, the type of cinema theaters, single theaters, multi theaters, group theaters, right? There's the marriage halls, the banquet halls, the what do you call that one? The convention centers. These are all the some sort of social and cultural environment. So once you complete your BTech or your degree, if you are not interested in job, you can choose any type of this environment. If you are interested in competitive type, keep a business. If you are interested in political and legal type, do some sort of this type of things. If you are going with the academic environment, that is one thing. The technological environment, that is one thing. Social cultural environment, that is one thing. So like this in the marketing environment, you are having 5 types of things. Next, coming to the what is marketing industry environment, industry competition, legal constraints, the impact of technology on the product design, and social concerns are some of the many important conditions that shape the business environment. అంతే కదా. సో ద బిజినెస్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్కి ఒక బిజినెస్ని ఒక షేప్ తీసుకురావడానికి వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ కండిషన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ కీప్ ఆన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద కాంపిటీషన్, legal constraints, the impact of technology on the product design, and social concerns. These are the some of the factors that will shape your business environment. Next, every organization, every organization needs to think seriously about the environments in which it operates. Right? If you want to keep any photo studio, మీకు ఫోటో స్టూడియో మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది, రేపు బీటెక్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ కీప్ ఎ ఫోటో స్టూడియో, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ ద మార్కెట్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. మీ ఊర్లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, బిజినెస్ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది, క్లయింట్స్ ఎలా పట్టుకోవాలి, రైట్? హౌ ద ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్, what is the off market and what is the online market. So like this you have to see each and every point before you are keeping any organization or a business. You have to go for a thorough research, pros and cons, profit వస్తే ఏంటి, లాస్ వస్తే ఏంటి, right? How to expand your business things. So all firms must identify, right? All the firms must identify, analyze, and monitor external forces and access their potential impacts on the firm's goods and services. So only buying and selling is not only the business, but we have to identify, we have to analyze, and we have to monitor, keep an eye, monitor on the external forces. What are the external forces of the business here? The external forces is the the stakeholders, right? The customers, the investors, the bank holders, right? The room owners. So we have to see, we have to keep an eye on the external forces and access their potential impact. We have to access their potential impact on the firm's goods and services, on the firm's goods and services. Next one. Although external forces frequently operate outside the marketing manager's control. So the external forces frequently operate where outside the marketing control. Comma, decision makers still make still make consider those uncontrollable influences. Okay. Although external forces frequently operate outside the marketing management manager's control, decision makers, what they will do, the decision makers still must control those uncontrollable influences together with the variables of the marketing mix in developing the firm's marketing plan and the strategies. Okay, so these are the things to be done which are uncontrollable. It will be influenced together with the variables of marketing mix for the development of what? For the development of the firm's marketing plan and their strategies. Okay, next. The next concept is the marketing framework or marketing strategy. So marketing framework ఎలా ఉండాలి? So if you are doing any product or services marketing, what does the marketing framework should be, right? So it consists of, first one is the target market. It consists of what? It consists of a target market. How to target a market. Second one, the marketing mix variables of a product. The marketing mix variables of product. As already said that you are having 4 P's of marketing mix. So in the previous slide, you are having the 4 P's. What is the 4 P's? The product, the place, the promotion, and pricing. Product, place, promotion, and pricing. Okay. Next, the marketing mix variables of the product: price, okay, place, promotion, that combines the satisfy the needs of the target market. Okay. Now see the main figure of the marketing strategy or marketing framework. So if you see the marketing framework, you can see in this model, right? So there is no confusion. Simply you can, if you get any question, explain the framework of marketing strategy, or how do the marketing framework access the marketing environment. So like this, if you get a question marketing framework, just start somewhere, start from somewhere. Start from the target consumers. Target consumers. So first circle is target consumers. In the second circle, it is divided into 4 parts. That is a product, there is a place, there's a price, and there is a promotion. Okay. Next, of the third circle, you are having marketing planning, marketing implementation, marketing analysis, and marketing control. So this is a cyclic process where you are having continuous focus on this terms. Market planning చేసుకోవాలి. Then after planning, you are going for implementation. Once the implementation, you are going for a controlling it, and finally you have to go for the analysis. Analysis tarvata you can see the results. Again, you have to go for the market planning. Next, fourth. So the first case is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, and fourth phase is the square phase where you are having again 4 things. One is marketing intermediaries, next one is publics, next one is competitors, next one is a suppliers. Outside all this one, you are having demographic economic environment, technological natural environment, socio-cultural environment, political legal environment. So what are these four? These four are the marketing environment: competitive, political, legal, economic, technological, and socio-culture. అదే కదా ఉంది. So the economic, the technological, right, the socio-culture, and the political and legal environment. These are the external features that you can see in the marketing strategy, right? So we will discuss this now. So if you see in the marketing activities, focus on the customer, right? Whatever the marketing activities you are doing in your business, it mainly focus the customer. So if you want to decorate your shop, next your festival season is coming, if you want to decorate your uh, garment shops, or if you want to decorate your supermarket, so why we need to decorate? So is there any profit? So you can think in a different logical way. So in normal seasons, definitely you are getting a business. Normal రోజుల్లో మీకు బిజినెస్ జరుగుతుంది, but certain amount of business you are getting. So whenever in the festival season, if you want to increase your sales, then you have to definitely modernize, or if you are definitely you have to keep a lighting, flowers like this, everything. So for your garment shop, and you have to increase your business. Thereby what's happening? So whatever the investment you have done for this decoration, lighting, or thing, so it should cross those basic things. It should cross those things, and you have to go in a high market business process. Then only we can say the in the Dasara season we got good business, right? The business done well. Next, so the marketing activities focus on the customer. Therefore, the market-driven organization begins its overall strategy with a detailed description of the target market. With a detailed description of the target market. The group of people. So what is the target market here? The group of people towards whom the firm decides. The group of people towards whom the firm decides to direct its marketing efforts. So target market means a group of people. Target market ante a group of people towards whom the firm decides to direct its marketing efforts. After the marketers select a target market, they direct their activities towards the profitably satisfying the target segment. So this is the simple target market segment. Okay. The marketing decision making can be divided into four areas. So decision making ఎలా తీసుకుంటాము మార్కెట్ గురించి, it is decided by taking four areas. What are the four areas here? First area is a product, second area is a price, third area is a place, and fourth area is a promotion. That is a market communication. So you can be or you can do a job in these four areas. For example, product తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. So if you are making a product, if you are having a product, so how to sell the product? So if you are taking, if you want to go in a market type, so you have to see about the marketing strategy. You have to see about the how this product is manufactured, what are the various stages involved in this manufacturing of the product, right? How to name the product, what's the quantity and quality aspects of the product. So if you want to get, or if you want to get a job, or if you want to do a business in price, then you have to go with this uh, retail and wholesale distribution. So you have to be as a distributor. So once the material is coming from the manufacturing concern, you have to take those material and you have to keep in your warehouse. Warehouse is a place, a large place where the FMCG goods are stored, right? Not only FMCG, other perishable and non-perishable items are stored. So here what you are doing, so you should be as a distributor, the distributor for a district, distributor for a zone, distributor for a town, like this. So later, retailer. Next one is a place. The place where you are holding the business. It is play you are holding the distributing in the village area. You are distributing in the town area, or you are distributing in the district area, or distributing in the metropolitan cities, like that. Next one is a promotion, marketing communication. The promotion is very important, right? So if you see, some products are not promoted directly, you can go for sale, right? Some products, if you see in TVs, so if you watch the TVs, so definitely everyone is watching the movies or TVs. Every end of the serial, every 15 minutes or every 10 minutes, right? You can have a break and you can see the advertisements. So you are seeing number of advertisements. So మీరు ఒక పని చేయండి. What are the items? Generally they are ఎక్కువ. So you can see number of things those are advertising, but just see ఈ క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ వెరీ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ. ఎక్కువగా వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్ యు ఆర్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద మూవీ, ఇన్ యువర్ టెలివిజన్, అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద కమోడిటీస్ ఆర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ నాట్ yet got advertised. ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ కానీ సర్వీసెస్ కానీ ఇప్పటి వరకు అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చేయలేదు, and what are the items or services which are advertised very frequently, right? So they will make some understanding. So our advertisement should come for 30 seconds, so it should come for so and so times, for example, per day. So if you are making the advertisements per day, so we will show your advertisements per day for 50 times. So they will charge according to that, 50 times, 50 times per day. So that the duration is 30 seconds, right? So like this they will make some contract with this media people, right? So the type of auditing or the type of doing the business is totally different, right? So one people will have a contract for 6 months. 6 months definitely you have to keep our advertisement. There is a long term advertisement process. That is other thing. Once the market selects the target market, they direct their activities towards the profitably satisfying the target segment. Next one. The market decision divided into 4 years. Product, okay, place and promotion. Promotion is a excellent and promotion dynamic thing what's happening in this present generation. Marketing communication. So excellent marketing communication ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, definitely you can sell anything anywhere any place. సో వర్షాకాలంలో కూడా మీరు ఐస్ క్రీమ్స్ అమ్మచ్చు, ఎండాకాలంలో కూడా మీరు మొక్కజొన్న కండలు అమ్మచ్చు. వన్స్ యు నో ద హౌ టు మార్కెట్, హౌ టు ప్రమోట్ ద మార్కెట్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలిస్తే. సో ఇఫ్ యు సీ సిటీస్ లైక్ హైదరాబాద్, సో రీసెంట్ ఇన్ గుంటూరు విజయవాడ వచ్చేసింది అనుకోండి. సో ఇఫ్ యు సీ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్, సో ఇన్ రైనీ సీజన్, ఇన్ ద వింటర్ సీజన్ ఆల్సో, మిడ్ నైట్, so those families, those who have vehicles, those friends, those students, those bikes, midnights they will roam on the roads. Car వేసుకొని ఒక family with their children and a car, they will have a midnight trip. Just ఒక 5 kilometers అట్లా ఒక రౌండ్ వేసి ఇంటికి వచ్చి పడుకుంటారు. So while doing that things, so you can see the ice cream vendors ఆ టైంలో కూడా 12 o'clock 1 o'clock also in the cities they will, and if you see the corporate type of ice cream showrooms, okay, so those ice cream showrooms, it will open till 1 o'clock. So our time lo kuda they will come out and have the ice cream. Why? It's only the thing is luxury, how luxury they have to live. So that is in that way also, you have a, you can sell the goods. వర్షాకాలంలో ఐస్ క్రీమ్ అమ్మచ్చు, ఎండాకాలంలో మొక్కజొన్నల కండలు అమ్మచ్చు. ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్ ఈస్ హౌ యు ఆర్ ప్రమోటింగ్ యువర్ ప్రోడక్ట్, ఎలా మీరు మీ ప్రోడక్ట్ ని ప్రమోట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో రీసెంట్లీ ఇఫ్ యు సీ ద యాడ్స్, టూ హీరోస్, ఐ థింక్ ద నేమ్ నాని అండ్ ఇంకొక హీరో ఎవరు, ద స్ప్రైట్ యాడ్, దట్ హీరో నేమ్ ఇస్ నాగార్జున్స్ రిలేషన్, నాగసూర్య సంథింగ్, సమ్ పర్సన్ ఇస్ దర్. సో ఇప్పుడు రీసెంట్ గా ఇఫ్ యు సీ నౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ వింటర్ సీజన్, రైనీ సీజన్. సో the giant, this coco, the giant distillery companies, the Sprite, they are showing an ad with this Nani and the other hero in this winter season, rainy season. If you want to, if you want to freak out, have a Sprite. If you want to freak out, have a 7-Up, Lehar 7-Up. So this is the right time. Is that a right time of giving the advertisement? No, it is not a right time. It is false news. So పెద్దవాళ్ళు if they consume the ice creams, if you see the Iron ice cream, or if you see some other ice creams also, right? Ibaka ice creams. So if you see some other ice creams also, delicious ice creams, right? So they are also giving the advertisements right now to consume those products. But as per the health condition, so we should not have such cool items in the winter season or rainy season. But see the strategy. So no one is restricting regarding the business. So business is always business. So no one will demand to purchase a product. Only the thing is how to promote them. ఎంత మీకు స్టైల్ గా ప్రమోట్ చేసి, ఎంత మీకు మూడ్ తెప్పించేట్టుగా చేస్తే, then you can purchase those products. That's why the promotion is keep on going continuously in every area, right? These 4 P's of marketing are referred as to as marketing mix. Okay, next. The 4 P's blend with to fit the needs and preferences of the specific target market. So the people కానివ్వండి, product కానివ్వండి, place కానివ్వండి, promotion కానివ్వండి, these 4 things will blend each other. అంటే బాగా these 4 things will blend means proper mixing. బ్లెండ్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు చపాతి, గోధుమ పిండి, వాటరు, ఉప్పు, నూనె వేసి మొత్తం బ్లెండ్ చేస్తే మీకు ఎంత నీట్గా వస్తుందో గోధుమ పిండి. The same way, the 4 P's will blend to fit the needs and the preferences of the specific target market. There are 4 variables that the marketer can use and control in different combinations to create a value for the customers. Okay, these 4 P's, these 4 variables will make what the marketer use and control the different combinations to create the value of the customers. The decisions about the 4 P's are affected by the environmental factors in the outside circle of that figure. Unlike the controllable marketing mix elements, the element variables frequently lie outside the controls of the market. So that's why if you see the figure here, the environment. సో ఈ 4 ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ వచ్చేసి ఆబ్వియస్గా మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, దిస్ 4 ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ థింగ్స్ విల్ బి అవుట్సైడ్ ద యువర్ outside your framework. So the 4 P's marketing mix. So the cart, they will target customers. What are they? The product, the place, the promotion, and the price. This is the product mix. Okay. The product strategy involves deciding what goods and services the firm should offer. The product strategy అనేది it involves deciding what the goods and services the firm should offer to a group of consumers and also making decisions about the customer service. The customer service, the branding name, the packaging, the labeling, the product life cycle, and the new product development. So these things will happen in the product strategy. Coming to the pricing strategy, that deals with the methods of setting profitable and justifiable prices. So price strategy ఏం చేస్తుంది, it deals with the methods of setting profitable and justifiable prices. So కొన్ని items చూడంగానే without knowing the MRP rate, you can simply say approximately the cost will be so and so, right? So it should be profitable, right, for both customer as well as vendor, and it should be justifiable. Marketers develops distribution play strategy to ensure the consumers find their products available in the proper quantities at the right times and places. Okay. So this is a main concepts in this marketing environment and marketing framework, right? So keep this figure in your mind. I think the time is up. So we'll start this class tomorrow. I will close the session. Wait for the link, wait for the time. Next class eppudu nenu cheptanu, right? Wait for the time. I will send the message to your WhatsApp. So once the video is uploaded in the YouTube channel, I'll forward the link to your WhatsApp later in the group. So you can open it and you can watch it. So today you are having very less number. Take your screenshot. So next class కన్నా ఎక్కువ మంది రావడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. Have a